That one looks like a marshmallow on the inside. That one's all yellow. And it's getting soft where it got wet. This is a puffball mushroom, so I'm going to chop that end off. It should look like a marshmallow on the inside, just one solid, squishy center. No discoloration, no gills. I'm going to take the skin off, and then I'm going to chop it up. I'm going to saute it, either in olive oil or canola oil. Maybe both, just to see the difference in taste. And put a little salt and pepper. That's my standard recipe, especially for mushrooms, just to see the difference in taste. Alright, so this is how it should look, like a marshmallow. Really soft to the touch. I was going to take the skin off, but I've decided not to, because this is a small enough mushroom where the skin is not going to be super chewy. I'll cook it, but it should have no gills, just one solid, squishy mushroom on the inside. If it's yellow, it's too old and you can't eat it. It can make you sick. Cooked it on medium heat for about 5 minutes. So it tastes kind of nutty. You know, it really takes on the flavor of the oil that you have in there, so it tastes more like olive oil than anything else. Once it starts sticking to the pan, I do it just like I do any other mushroom that I would buy in a store. Then I know it's pretty much done. So I'm going to go ahead and chop up some onions. So this could be wild onions if you were out in the wild. I actually don't have any right now because it's fall and they only normally grow here in the spring, and I don't have any more saved. So I'm going to cook these a little bit more until they brown on the edges. So far I've only put salt and pepper. Alright, so I've mixed in the puffball mushroom with some onion and 3 or 4 little chili pekins. So the jalapeno has about 7,500 to 10,000 Schofield heat units. These little bad boys are like 30 to 40,000 Schofield heat units. So it gives you an estimate of how hot they are. Not as hot as a habanero, but pretty hot.